Today, I'm excited to unbox and test the SameTap chest mount harness phone holder. This versatile holder is compatible with iPhone, Samsung, GoPro from models 8 to 12, J Osmo, and most cell phone action camera. It goes with one chest mount, one phone holder, one J hook buckle, one thumb screw, and of course the manual. You can mount your phone in two ways, horizontally and vertically. For the horizontal way, loosen the top screw and clamp the phone. Tighten the top and back screws to secure your device. From horizontal to vertical way, loosen the top and back screws. Change the phone position and tighten the top and back screws to secure your device. To set up your phone in the chest mount harness, insert the J-hook buckle and mount the phone holder with a screw. Unsnap the chesty buckle, wear the chest mount, and secure the buckle.